What's up, everybody? Today on Ride, we are talking about e-bikes. The E stands for electronic, just like your mail. This bike behind me is from Moar E-Bikes and it's spelled like the internet joke. It is owned by our executive publisher, Carl Brower. He's in charge of Kelley Blue Book and Auto Trader, and Ride, you're watching it now. He brought us one of those bikes fully assembled. He also has a second bike, which I'm standing on, even though it's not assembled, and we're gonna see what it takes to put one of these together. So come with us on this journey of electronic bike discovery. Don't be fooled by the box. I don't know why this is like this. This is not a television.
First up, let's get this not a TV out of its box. Then we can spread the parts out. There's only a few pieces that actually need to come together to turn this into a rideable thing. The front wheel needs to go on, as does the seat. The handlebars are hanging on thanks to the wires and brake cables, but they still need to be locked in place atop the stem.
The batteries are charging though. The battery is charging, I should say. It's a nice hefty battery. This thing will be together soon. Pedals are on, tires, wheels and tires are on. We're gonna put some air in the suspension because we've ridden this completed bike around a couple times and it feels like these shocks could use a bit more air in there, which is easy because we have a shock pump. And then the rest of it, once we get it all pieced together, we'll fire it up and see if it goes. I mean, it should go. Hopefully it doesn't then fall apart because of us.
After that, it's a matter of making sure the battery has juice the helmet is tight and some goggles or glasses are sitting ahead of your squishy eyeballs. And then we can head out and let her rip.
E-bikes! It's e-bike time. This is an interesting one for us. Hold on, I forgot what I was gonna say. Coming on into the camera. Coming on into the camera!